Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contact application, which is right here. And if you have some kind of contact, this page won't be visible, or well, it will contain contacts. But if it's completely empty, as it is for me, you have the quick option to import contacts from here. But I'm gonna show you how you can do it if you already have a contact. So tap on the 2 dots, go to settings, choose SIM card contacts, and then tap on again 2 dots and import. Or I guess I export. There we go. So it's actually exporting. My bad. And from here you can select all of them if you want to and choose export, and this will merge. And I guess that's it. Yep, there we go. As you can see now, we have contacts here. So that is how you would remove your contacts or import them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.